Good morning students and welcome to class 8. First we will discuss that what is a matter. Matter is something that occupies space and has weight. Matter has three types: solid, liquid and gas. These are the three types of matter. Matter always react in two forms. These reactions are physical reaction and chemical reaction. So, first we will discuss the difference between these two reactions, physical reaction and chemical reaction. We have two substances here, hydrogen and oxygen. These two substances make H2O, means water. H2 is the formula of water. So we have a water here. So when water is in the form of ice, it is in a solid form. It is water, and when it is in the form of ice, we call it solid. When we heat a water, the ice will become water. After that, when we put a water in a pot on a fire, it will change into a steam, gas. So gas is a form. So we have three different things here. Matter has changed its states. First it has been changed to first it was ice, then it became water, and after that it became stream. It has changed its condition, its form, but in here it is in the same form, water. We had a water. So when a solid matter changes its position, it is a physical state. It is a physical state. But the water didn't change its chemical state. So in a chemical state reaction, the matter do not change its form, but in a physical reaction it is changed into a new form. So we have discussed about the matter, its two different reactions. So as we are going to begin a new chapter, our new chapter is chapter number 5, which is about chemical reactions. The two reactions which we were discussing before, the physical reaction and the chemical reaction, here today we are going to discuss or read about a chemical reaction. A chemical reaction, what it is? We need to know first that what do our title speaks to us about. A chemical reaction, we will read from the book. We deal with a large number of chemical reactions in our daily life. During these reactions, atoms present in different substances rearrange themselves to form new substance. It means कि जब दो सब्सटेंस जो हैं वो आपस में रिएक्ट करते हैं या अपने आप को रीअरेंज करते हैं, तो रिजल्टेंट हमारे पास एक नया सब्सटेंस आता है. जैसे आप नीचे इक्वेशन देख रहे हैं, हमारे पास कार्बन है और ऑक्सीजन है. ठीक है, जब कार्बन और ऑक्सीजन जलते हैं तो रिजल्टेंट हमारे पास क्या बनता है? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड gas. It is a gas which is formed by the combination of reaction of two substances, carbon and oxygen. So the thing substances which take parts in a chemical reactions are called reactants. What do we call them? We call them reactants. So in this equation, the carbon and oxygen are two reactants, and resultant we have got carbon dioxide, which is a product. So the book talked to us about it, that those which are formed as a result of the reaction are called products. So in a chemical reaction, we have two substances, and when they react, we get something new. So the substances which react are called reactants, and the thing which is produced by the reaction of two different things is called product. So this is what is a chemical reaction. On further, we will discuss about the applications of chemical reaction, that how do they take part in our day-to-day life. Our new topic is balancing chemical equation and their balancing. That how to balance a chemical equation. We have different equations, and if they are unbalanced, how to balance a chemical equation. Our next topic will be law of conservation of mass. This law states that during a chemical reaction, mass is neither created nor destroyed. It is changed from one form to another. In other words, during a chemical reaction, total mass of the product is equal to the total mass of the reactant. कि ये ऐसा लॉ है जिसमें हमारे पास प्रोडक्ट और जो हमारा रिएक्टेंट है वो सेम होते हैं, ये रिजल्टेंट चेंज नहीं होते. सो नेक्स्ट इज the types of chemical reaction. There are two types of chemical reactions: addition reaction and decomposition reaction. On further, we will discuss about the energy changes in chemical reactions, that how do the energy changes in a chemical reaction. There are two forms. First is exothermic, and in exo mean outside and therm means heat. In exothermic reaction, the energy is released, something is coming out. The second is endothermic reaction. Endo mean inside. The reaction during which heat is absorbed are called exothermic reaction. And in this reaction, the energy is absorbed. As here we have read that the reaction during which heat is absorbed, इसमें जो है एनर्जी जो है वो ऑब्जॉर्ब हो रही है. ठीक है, एक्सोथर्मिक में हीट रिलीज हुई थी, और एंडोथर्मिक में हीट जो है वो ऑब्जॉर्ब हो रही है. ठीक है, सो दीज आर द टू चेंजेस ऑफ energy of chemical reaction. The next topic will be importance of exothermic reaction in our daily life, that how the exothermic reaction is important in our day-to-day life. So these are the topics that we will discuss in this chapter number 5, and hope you have got the overview of the chapter, that what a chapter is about and what are the main things that we are going to discuss in this chapter. The exercises of this chapter will be taught in the next video. When I will upload the next video, in that video I will guide you about the question answers, the short questions and the brief questions, that how to solve the exercises of this chapter. Thank you.